Welcome to Market Momentum Tutorials. This is number 6 out of 8 to 9. It's on expanding momentum waves. This is a short one. You're getting close to the end. Please come to the website, watch the video reports, and you'll learn even more.
Welcome to the tutorial on expanding momentum waves. This is a very short tutorial. There's really not a lot to say. I would say it's pretty well self-explanatory, but as people pointed out to me, that not everything is obvious to everybody. Anyway, we'll do this. We had the end of a move coming in here. I'm going to start the new downtrend, and as you can see, this is expanded with volatility as the trend is built down. And the first sort of kind of indication that an end of trend was coming was when this particular one, momentum range, didn't go all the way up to the line and went down to make a further dent down here, and that's normally a sign that a trend is coming to an end when you have an expanding wave movement, and you usually get a sharp move to final big expansion as the new trend starts, and then it starts to narrow in as the new trend begins. And here you can see, after a longish downtrend, quite a nice, the first big last expansion move, where the last big one didn't make it, the next one did, and that's usually the start of a new. So like I showed you on the other video, that only when you come from a crash situation you go to a massive stretch. It's a similar sort of thing, going from one extreme to another, and it's a turn of trend. We saw that at the bottom of the crash, we saw that at the bottom of various trends, and you get this triangle formation on the other side as it narrows in, and then you can see here as it starts to break through the triangle and starts a new expansion movement. And we can draw lines there, or we could draw lines here, because we haven't quite got to that point here on this chart when I did it, and you can see the new downtrend starting as a new expanding movement coming from the last one inside there. There's really not a lot to say. I mean, I do think it's pretty well self-explanatory, and it does help you. It can help you when you see this sort of pattern on the daily ranges. It does help you identify an end of trend.